All right, y'all. Basically, in a nutshell, the adolescents are getting up underneath the coop here at night and sometimes getting confused with the door and having trouble getting their way around and whatnot. So I'm gonna put some chicken wire, regular chicken wire. Everything else is protected by hardware mesh. I'm not worried if a raccoon gets underneath here and gets stuck, whatever. But the tricky part is I can't dig this out with a backhoe. With my legal blindness, where everything's at right now, I probably would knock down the coop. So gonna have to go old school. Safety glasses, Maddox, and yeah, a whole lot of effort. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Here we go. This is gonna go all the way around and hopefully stop the adolescents from getting confused before we put in the automated door that's gonna let them come and go as they please out of chicken run during the day. Yeah, it's gonna take a while, y'all. Whoo-wee. Y'all better and be appreciative. Y'all be good out there.